to talk about local government funds and what's really happening on the ground, where services are delivered day in and day out, where criminals are incarcerated, where children are served, and where seniors and veterans rely on us, county, city, and township government, to provide some of their most basic needs. I'm proud to join this bipartisan group of fellow Ohio local government officials, and we want to set the record straight today. We face many mandates and many cuts, and we are imploring the state of Ohio, as it conducts its mid-biennium budget review, to understand that you can't have it all. I want you to take a look at this coin, all right? There are two sides, right? Mandates and money. Local government, including right here in Franklin County, is mandated by the state of Ohio to provide the services I mentioned earlier and numerous others. We take that duty and the responsibility to our citizens and taxpayers very seriously. With drastic cuts in funds from the state of Ohio, $41 million in 2013 alone, right here in Franklin County, the burden has been passed down from the state to the county, to the city, and to the township level. It's the citizens of Ohio and Franklin County who truly suffer the most. Local government fund support has declined from $26.4 million in 2008 to $12.1 million here in Franklin County last year. That is a breathtaking decline of 54% over the past 5 years. From calendar year 2011 through 2013, we had a combined total impact of more than that's $91 million in cuts from the state. That's right here in Franklin County. What does that mean? For example, we had $10 million in cuts from the state, money that would have gone to our neediest families and to our Job and Family Services Department staff, who are serving 2,000 family caseloads right now. These cuts are simply difficult to absorb. They can't be absorbed. And especially for families who are still struggling in the aftermath of the Great Recession. They need our economic development help. They need our prevention of poverty help. You can't pull yourself up by your bootstraps if you don't have boots. So I hope that we all remember that we're Franklin County, we're all Ohio, and we're all Americans, and we need to band together in this recession time. Thank you very much.